Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today, you clicked on this video because you want no flashback. I don't like flashback, you don't like flashback, so let's get into this video and I can help you guys sort that out. So without any further ado, let's just hop into this video. So guys, what you need underneath your skin is your primer, your moisturizer, some setting spray. Thereafter you need some foundation, some concealer, and that's what I've got onto my face. So underneath this face I've got some moisturizer, I've got some primer, and then I set my face. Thereafter I put in some foundation, I set again. That's the key thing. Set. That's the key. So now what you're going to need to do is put on the concealer. So I concealed here, and my jawline area, above my jawline area. Now I'm going to spray once more. Don't drown yourself in it, just spray. And go in with the same beauty blender that you used. And set everything.
One eternity later.
Now comes for the tricky part. So now what you're going to use is a translucent powder. The translucent powder is better than the powder that has color in it. But because I am a dark skin tone, I didn't want to go in with the translucent. I wanted a bit of highlight, so I went in with this color powder. Now the color actually plays a really important role. The darker you are, you don't want to go in with the translucent powder that is absolutely white. There is going to give you your flashback. Go in with a shade that is 2 to 3 shades lighter than your skin tone, just as you use for your concealer, so that you can lift your highlight. The darker you are, the less flashback you're going to get if you use a color very close to you. If you are lighter in skin tone, if you are medium in skin tone, do the exact same thing. Don't go in with something that's too white, because that is enhancing the flashback that you're going to be getting. So guys, now what you're going to be doing is grabbing in some powder on your brush. Very little powder, and we're going to press as if there's nothing underneath. So this first layer is going to set everything in place. Go in up and down, all the grooves need to be set. Second time as well, very minimal product. Now you leave this for 1 to 2 minutes. Just leave it, let it set in.
Much later.
Thereafter you go in with a bigger chunk, so it's going to be a bit chunky underneath the eye, and that is okay. And now when you don't dust it out, this is how you're going to look, and this is the reason why you're getting flashback, because this is how your powder looks in the first round. Hence, in the flash hits, it just hits what it sees. So this you're going to leave it for a single minute, just 1 minute, because it is too dry. And now you're going to go in with a brush that looks like this. It's a bit cluttered, but now you're going to dust everything off. Now it leaves nothing behind. Flashback is also caused by your skin producing oils. Now this area becomes too dry, hence it starts to produce oils. So the oils penetrate through the powder. So the powder becomes damp onto your skin, hence creating the flashback. Now flashback, it looks really ugly on your photos. You can see like the areas that you actually hit onto your face, the areas that you highlighted. Meanwhile, it's supposed to be the most natural way looking possible. So these are what you're going to do. These are tips. So these are tips as to what you're going to do. Now on the other side, I'm going to show you a different way. You're going to go in with a whole lot of powder one time. But keep on working with it. Don't let it sit. Just work and work and work with it, so that when it wants to sit, you don't allow it, and you keep on dusting everything off. So guys, now that's what it's actually going to look like. Now you're going to take a thin brush that looks like this and tackle in the groove area. This is one of the most darkest part in our eye area, so you want to make sure that this area is covered and this area does not give you any flashback. So that area needs to be a little lighter than the rest, so that it gives you that whole type of lift that you actually want. So guys, now what we want to do is grab on some powder onto a beauty blender, very little powder. Spray on some setting spray so that it lasts all day, and go in and tap on wherever you worked. So this sets everything in place. Now we're going to do the exact same thing for the other side. So now guys, you want to get a damp beauty blender and spray your face. Take your damp beauty blender, set everything in place. So guys, I showed you the part for the under eyes. You can go in with the other areas of your face and do the exact same thing. The process will be the same, as well as the coverage will be the same. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back with another amazing